I told my son not to brush or comb his hair for a couple of days, and he understood the assignment. I really wanted to test how well the Unbrush would work on dry, matted hair. Of course, I made sure I had the real Unbrush, so I'm going in raw, no water, no oil, and I used my hand in order to section out a little part of his hair. But as you can see, it's going through with ease. My son is even sitting up here nice and relaxed, like he's at a spa, and it went right through. Of course, I wanted to test the other side, and this time I did not separate the hair. I just went in with the brush and just started going at it. Again, my son is relaxed. He's not, flinching or anything. I asked him if it hurt. He said no, and the brush is just going through. And without fail, my hands slide right through. So in less than a minute, I was able to brush the front part of his hair without a lot of tugging. And only this amount of hair was left in the brush.